So I recently bought a new phone, the OnePlus 9 Pro, and it has wireless charging that I want to make use of. But I don't want to put any cables in my car. I could use a wireless pad and then connect it through here and make them charge, but I want it to be invisible. So let's get back to the table and I'll show you my idea. So this is a cheap wireless charger I picked up at the store, and when I lay my wireless phone on it, it does exactly what it has to do. Start charging wirelessly. When you open it up, there's only a small piece of technology that is inside. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to put it into my car and make it invisible. So I've opened up the radio and put a USB extender on the USB cable that was coming from the radio. So I've hooked up my light and my wireless charger, and this is still working. So now I know that it will work, and I can make a hole there in the middle to feed through the wire that comes out here, so I can connect it. So I'm going to drill this hole out a bit to make it larger to feed the cable through, hopefully. So I drilled a little hole, and with some handwork I could feed the cable through. So now let's hook up the wireless charger to see if it actually works. So I put my wireless pad beneath this rubber and tucked it all nicely together. And let's see, if I put down my phone, if it actually starts charging. It works. And that's it for the moment. As always, thanks for watching.